You know, right now I'm waiting for my reindeer. They're going to come and pick me up right here. And we're going to take them back to the North Pole so we can get ready for that day, right? And they're flying around up in the sky somewhere. You know, let's see if Rudolph can hear us all the way up there, okay? On the count of 3, let's yell, "You'll go down in history," all right? 1, 2, 3, you'll go
down in history.
I wonder if he heard us up there. Well, I bet he did, but just to be sure, on the count of 3, let's all shout, "Light up the sky," Rudolph. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Light up the sky, Rudolph. Big. Woo. I bet he goes. Alright, I feel bad for the people who live near here.
Dear Santa, this year, money being scarce, my wants are clear. I want a doll, ribbon, candy, and nuts. Our tree will be in the parlor near the store, so take your time and get warm before you leave. Please don't forget my brothers and sisters. Yours, Ruth, 1897.
Big one. That was great, kind of. Oh, never mind. Bigger than I expected.
Dear Mr. Claus, I've tried to be a good little girl this year. I am 9 years old and in the 5th grade. I would like a pair of skates. Please don't forget my baby sister because she wasn't here last year and I thought that maybe you would forget her. But I guess the new stocking will remind you. Could I also ask for candy, nuts, and oranges? Your friend, Helen, 1939.
Robert. Whoa. That was an interesting one. Whoa. I got. Alright, see you guys.